Hello everyone, I'm Jason Peterson. If you've followed my journey over the years, you know that I don't make career decisions lightly. I've always believed that the company you represent should reflect who you are, how you serve your clients, and the values you bring to your profession. So today, I'd like to share something a little different. The title of this video is Why New American Funding and I Chose Each Other. That may sound like an unusual title, but after everything I learned during the interview and onboarding process, it's exactly how I feel. When loan officers evaluate new opportunities, compensation often becomes the first conversation. While compensation certainly matters, it wasn't my deciding factor. I wanted to know something much deeper. Would this company allow me to become an even better mortgage loan originator? Would it help me better serve my clients? Would I be proud to represent this organization for years to come? Those were the questions that mattered most to me. As I learned more about New American Funding Consumer Direct, I began seeing something that really resonated with me. The company's values weren't just words on a website. Integrity, innovation, relationships, accountability, putting people first. Those are values I've tried to live throughout my own career. And seeing that same philosophy reflected within the organization gave me confidence that we were moving in the same direction. Technology is changing our industry faster than ever, but technology should never replace relationships. Instead, it should remove unnecessary work so loan officers can spend more time educating borrowers, solving problems, and delivering an outstanding client experience. That philosophy aligned perfectly with how I've always approached mortgage lending. No successful loan officer works alone. Behind every great client experience is a team of professionals committed to moving loans forward efficiently. One of the things that impressed me most was seeing the emphasis placed on operational support, collaboration, and helping loan officers focus on serving borrowers rather than becoming overwhelmed by administrative tasks. Every borrower is different financial goals, different life experiences, different challenges. That's why having access to a broad range of mortgage solutions matters. Whether someone is purchasing their first home, refinancing, accessing home equity, or building a new home, I want to be able to offer solutions that truly fit their needs. Every company reflects its leadership. Throughout my conversations and research, I consistently saw leaders focused on long-term growth, continuous improvement, innovation, and investing in both people and technology. That gave me confidence that this wasn't simply about today. It was about building something sustainable for the future. One of the aspects that particularly interested me was the consumer direct model. Rather than spending every day chasing cold leads, I was attracted to the opportunity to spend more time doing what I enjoy most, educating borrowers, understanding their goals, and helping them make informed financing decisions. That allows me to focus on relationships rather than simply prospecting. As I continued learning about New American Funding, I realized I wasn't simply evaluating a mortgage company. I was evaluating the people, the culture, the vision, the commitment to innovation, the investment in technology, and perhaps most importantly, the commitment to helping families achieve homeownership. That combination became increasingly compelling. Eventually, everything came together. I realized I wasn't simply choosing New American Funding. I had found a company looking for experienced professionals who value education, transparency, integrity, communication, and long-term relationships as much as I do. That's why I genuinely believe New American Funding and I chose each other. Our values align, our goals align, and our commitment to helping people achieve homeownership aligns. This is just the beginning. Over the coming months, I'll continue sharing my experiences, educational mortgage content, homeownership guidance, and behind-the-scenes insights as I continue growing with New American Funding Consumer Direct. Whether you are a home buyer, homeowner, realtor, referral partner, or fellow mortgage loan originator, I hope you'll join me on the journey. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate you spending a few minutes out of your busy schedule with me today. I hope sharing my personal journey and the reasons behind my decision to join New American Funding Consumer Direct has been both informative and helpful. Every mortgage loan originator has unique goals, priorities, and career aspirations, and I encourage everyone to take the time to carefully evaluate what matters most to them. If you have any questions about my experience, would like to learn more about New American Funding Consumer Direct, or simply want to connect and exchange ideas, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to share my perspective and continue the conversation. Thank you again for your time. I sincerely wish you continued success in your career and in everything you do. Take care.